Gina, she's so spicy.
Yo, what is up, guys? You gonna say anything?
No, I'm laughing, sorry.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on this piece of shit right here.
That none of us own.
That I don't own, he doesn't own. It's his roommates.
Holy fuck.
Anyways, we'll do a story on what the fuck happened to this thing later with the owner. Let's just say we call him 6. Yeah, right now we gotta drop the rear end, so we pull the drive shaft out. See if are we seeing if the clutch is stuck?
Oh, we know it's stuck.
Oh, the clutch is stuck, so we're stripping this car down, and he's got a body for it. He's got a body for this thing. Just put all this shit on, and we'll pull this one apart. Get the other car here because the other car's in Michigan. And put all this shit back on that car. Fucking mint.
That bolt's out.
They're all out.
That bolt's out. This bolt is not.
Which one's out?
The two, so these two are. This side is not. See?
Yeah, it's just that one bolt in. Just that one bolt.
Yeah. If you want to try to pull on that bolt,
Okay,
do it. Yep.
there you go. Hey.
I really want to pull.
Mint.
I turned this on. It's kind of nice to have on. I kind of regret it.
Oh my god. It's not that bad.
There's somewhere on here.
Definitely could be worse. Yeah, it doesn't. Are you fucking kidding me? It came right off. Hashtag still gonna send it.
Well, boy, I think I said a little too hard.
Fucking hard button. Have you seen the one where it's the ambulance?
Well, boys, I fucking sent her a little too fucking hard, but I really hope oh, fuck, but damn.
Think you get it? Without getting it on you? Yeah. No. Not that one. Pretty good. Pretty good.
I give you props.
Oh.
That one's pretty dry.
Damn.
Well, there was one that was sitting like that.
Minty.
So, this we doing here?
Nah, I can't get those wheels.
What?
Minty.
Yeah, bolts on bed.
Front.
Sponsor me.